Well, we are back again in the...
Okay.
Well, the truth is that we love to be a lesbian, and now we are so fucking bored. You know, I can ask you some question, please.
Yeah.
How many girlfriends have you in your past?
3.
3, and their names?
Damari,
Uh-huh.
Salome,
Uh-huh.
and Jennifer.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you?
You? Well, oh, another girl. Who is it? Well, I have my first girlfriend. Her name was Karen.
Karen.
Karen. What?
What am?
My second, Camille, and my, how I say,
Third.
my third, Lauren.
Yeah.
My fourth, but that was very short. My fourth was Pelada, but that was very short too. And now, Camille.
Your fifth.
Yes. And well, five girlfriends. That's okay.
Yeah. It's a good number.
Yes, 5. 5 like your fingers. You need fingers to be a lesbian. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is a better good name.
And 3, 2.
3, 2, but better 5. 5 are better than 3, and 6 too. Oh my god, I'm so crazy. I'm gonna die. That's good.
That's good. 10.
And this is our life. Yes.